SCADAware is a collection of very, very intelligent, highly innovative people. So we don't mind pushing the envelope on technology. We're thinkers. And we build systems from pure software systems to robotic systems and everything in between.
Our reputation at SCADAware is one of novel thinking and one of innovation. We come up with solutions that are custom made, and we feel that the work that Kawasaki has done with us to help implement these solutions has been really vital to that effort.
When we first met with the customer, they wanted just to replace the robot and the end-of-arm tool. They wanted to keep everything else the same. There was a huge gap between when a pallet was finished and when it was ready to start doing the next one. So they were losing about 75 seconds between pallets, and with what we've done here, we've knocked that down to about 20 seconds between. The customers, they really liked our new design with the added features that they had, like the pallet dispenser. The conveyor goes underneath the robot base itself. The pallets pass underneath of it. We had a lot of space constraints where the cell can go, so we had to maximize every square inch that we could. And then the bottom slip sheet applicator that you'll see that's not on the robot itself. So it puts the bottom slip sheet on the pallet, then it transfers the pallet to the palletizing location. And then from there, we integrated in a new stretch wrapper for them as well. The door interlocks that you'll see around the cell allow faster and quicker entry into the cell when needed, and it's safer than what they currently have now. We build all of our control panels for all of our projects we do. We take pride in that. Everything has a label, everything has a number that is referenced in our drawings that the customers get. So when there is things that do go wrong, a maintenance staff or an engineer can come out and go, okay, this is right where I need to look. This is the part that I need to replace. By adding those things to the cell, for them that turns into roughly 2,700 extra pallets that they're gonna be able to make every year, which turns into about $1.5 million in extra revenue for them. I would highly recommend Kawasaki Robotics. Great product, easy to use, and the support that we get from Kawasaki Robotics, I don't know if you can do any better. So